Hello everyone, welcome to EduCloud. Today let's see how to create a student report card using Excel. So from dashboard click on exam and open report studio, and in the report studio click on my subscriptions. Now search for your report card and click on generate by Excel. As simple as that. Here in the Excel report generation process there are 4 steps. First you need to download the Excel template. Now second is the insert your data in the Excel template. I am opening the Excel sheet. After opening you need to enter or replace your information or your data in the Excel so that data will be printed on the report card. So here is some school name, address, report name or random, and you need to enter your school information or your institute or college information over here as in the provided sheet. Now after entering all or replacing all the data you need to save and then again go to Excel report generation. In the step 2 you need to click on file is ready, what's next, and here in the step 3 choose the file and upload the recently updated Excel. Click on next. Now click on start report generation. In the 4th step your report is being generated. Now close this pop-up and click on download your reports. So the zip file has been downloaded. After extracting, your report will look like this. Here is the school or institute details as the first page of the report card or as the first page on the Excel sheet. The student details, so these are the student details and those are printed over here. The subject results, here are some results, means the subject name, total marks and obtained marks, and the student names. So these results and the subject names are printed over here and the total percentage. So here is the graph generated using the data. Now the student comment. So here we have the student comment and which is printed as a class teacher's comment. And last, there are the digital signatures which we have entered over here in the signature sheet. The signature holder name, the designation and the digital signature. So these are printed at the end of the report card, at the bottom of the report card. So this is how we can generate the student report card using Excel.